I'm going to quickly show you 4 potential solutions to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows. First, right-click the Windows icon and click on Device Manager. Then select your Bluetooth adapter, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. If you don't see your Bluetooth adapter here, click on View and check Show Hidden Devices. Then right-click on your Bluetooth adapter and click on Enable Device. If that didn't work, let's try uninstalling the device and then reinstalling it. To do that, right-click on your adapter and click on Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall. Then click on this button to refresh the list. For the next method, right-click the Windows icon and click on Settings. Then click on Windows Update. Go to Advanced Options. Then click on Optional Updates. Here, under Driver Updates, you might see the option to update Bluetooth drivers. If you do, select it and click on Download and Install. For the next method, press Windows plus R and type services.msc and press Enter. Then look for a service called Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click on it and click on Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic and start the service if it's not running already. Let me know if any of these methods worked. I'll keep the comment section updated with any new fixes I find.